boy Shoutout, and I'm back with another video. We got some action on the highway. I don't know if he's gonna come back to me, but we got a Mustang in the cut, and then we got my pops in the third right lane. Well, he's in the second lane now. We cooked him here too. See if he gonna come. See if he wanna come play. Got some content for y'all, man. Gotta give y'all a video for today. You know I can't let y'all down. Y'all know the grind don't stop, man. Hold on, here he come. No, the Mustang. See if he wanna come play. I don't think he coming, y'all. But we got the Scat right here. Two Scats. Hold on, wait, he coming a little bit. He coming a little bit. He coming closer. I had to get some stuff from Memphis. I ain't find nothing. I'm about to order some stuff tonight. I got a lot to do before I get to Memphis, or before we even head out. But yeah, man, busy weekend, busy week. Got what else I got going on? Gotta pick up my YouTube stickers this week. Gotta get my tips put on tomorrow. So man, it's just gonna be a lot of content for y'all to see this week. This video probably won't be the most entertaining, but you know I gotta give y'all what I gotta give y'all, and the grind don't stop. Y'all know this. But if you run into anything, I'm gonna turn the camera back on. Oh, he might wanna play a little bit. Oh, that Mustang got a little closer. Oh, no, we might have some company, y'all. No, he finna get off though. Gotta get off. Get off the highway. But like I was saying, wait, hold on, keep going. So, yeah, but like I was saying, if anything happens, I'm gonna turn the camera back on. But make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe on this video, turn the notifications on during the Swervo Nation. You already know, man. Let's get it. What it do? It's your boy, the 92 Swervo 2 times, and I'm back with the same video, different day. Man, it's freezing out here. I know y'all hear the heat running. I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit, but I can't turn it down all the way because it's freezing out here. It snowed earlier, and I wasn't gonna take my car to get the tips put on, but Memphis is literally, I'm leaving from Memphis literally Friday morning. I won't be able to do nothing. I'm leaving that Friday. Leaving Friday at 5 in the morning, so I won't be able to do anything. What is this car doing right here? Yeah, I won't be able to do anything, so the sooner the better. I got a lot of stuff to do. I still gotta get a couple fits. Gotta get my YouTube stickers. Hopefully they here on time, so I'm able to do that. And merch. I'm gonna have my merch on that Saturday, so y'all gonna see that in another video. I don't know when, but I'm gonna probably go Tuesday to get it made or something like that. I don't know. I'm just all over the place. I can't wait till I get all this stuff over and done with, and you know I'm able to enjoy my trip, stuff like that. Oh snap! I gotta turn back around, y'all. I forgot my tips. So yeah, let me turn around real quick. I've got the main thing. So let me turn around real quick. Go down the street. This time I will be going to Mike's. It's called Mike's More Miles. It's in Joliet, Illinois. So if y'all want any exhaust work done, they do good exhaust work too. The place I went to get the mint muffler duty Oxbow, they were just busy right now. So I'm going to Mike's. They did the straight pipe on the Camaro, so they do really good work there too. I couldn't decide who I wanted to go to, but I'm gonna go with Mike's because they real good too. So either or, they both do good work. So if y'all in the Joliet or Chicagoland area, make sure y'all go check them out and go show them some love because they do good work, both of them. But I'm finna go get the tips and I'll be right back with y'all. All right, y'all, we back. Y'all see stay in the passenger seat. If y'all didn't see the unboxing of the video, I'm gonna show y'all right here. Y'all gonna see them on the car. The 5-inch Carven tips, man. Yes, sir. So I don't know if it's gonna make a difference on the sound of the car. Hopefully it do. I think it's gonna open it up more. I'm not sure. I ain't do my research, but if it don't, I'm not gonna be mad because I just like the look of it. I like how it's gonna, you know, fit with the diffuser. The tips I got on now, they decent with the diffuser, but it's like I need something a little bigger to make that like look more aggressive. So I feel like the tip's gonna set it off, like just set the whole back end more. The diffuser and the taillight duty and the wicker bill, all them look good, but once I put the tips on, it's just gonna, you know, it's gonna complete the whole rear end of the car. So I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like, and hopefully it sound a little different, sound more open, hopefully, I don't know. And that's gonna decide if I make the car a little louder or not, you know, depending on if I notice a difference. It might be all in the head, but I don't know. I'm gonna see if y'all know in the comment section. Let me know if y'all notice a difference once I get them installed. It's literally right down the street, so I'll be pulling up literally shortly. But stay tuned. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, turn notifications on, so y'all don't miss a video. Y'all already know y'all don't know what to expect from me, so definitely do that, and join the Swervo Nation. Let go. Alright, y'all, I am back, and before I get to, you know, look at it, I haven't even seen it. I've seen it from the side, but I haven't even looked at it yet, so when I see it the first time, y'all gonna see it. But shout out to Mike's More Miles, M-I-K-E, if y'all can see it, M-I-K-E. It's called Mike's More Miles. It's on Larkin. I don't know the address. Oh wait, it's right there. 845 North Larkin Avenue. 815-744-4877 is a phone number. So if y'all want work done, Bob is a cool dude. Shout out to Bob. And I don't know the other guy, but the other guy is real cool. So I told him I was gonna shout them out in the video because they seen the camera. They asked if I was a YouTuber. So big shout out to Bob, man. Bob, you know, I've been knowing Bob since I had the Camaro. So Bob, like, he been looking out for me, and shout out to Bob for real. But y'all see this thing right here. We finna see if we hear a difference. Let's see where my keys at. Oh, I think I put my keys in the car. Hold on. We lost the keys, y'all. Here they go. We gonna look at it first, man. I can't wait to see the back of it. Yeah, definitely brung it out. I don't know about y'all, but like, this thing looking good now. Let's see if it sound a little different. Don't know, I can't tell yet. I probably gotta accelerate and probably get in it to hear it, but this car always sounds good. And I told him I'm thinking about doing another exhaust mod. I'm thinking about doing the mini race bullets or whatever I think they call it. But yeah, I think they call it the mini race bullets, and I've been doing my research. Some people say that they louder than the mini muffler duty. So we I don't know, I'm gonna do more research into it and see what I want to go with. But definitely shout out to Mike More Miles. They changed the name of it. I'm not used to calling it Mike's More Miles. We used to call it in Berlin's. But I'm finna get in this car and see what it sound like. Yeah, every time I do drop it off the shops, I do put it in valet mode. So hold on, let me put the camera down. Y'all can know my code. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna start it. See if I hear a difference a little bit. Oh, hold on. What is he doing on my? What is he doing playing? I don't rock with that. I don't rock with him. Yeah, I'm gonna go into the street right now. I'm gonna go in the street, and then when I bust a right, I'm gonna go on a track. And stay tuned for a sooner video too. Eventually I'm gonna do a video of me learning how to use launch control and stuff like that. Let me turn the camera. I got a lot going on right now, but I'm gonna do a video learning how to do launch control, because I never did it, and I want to be able to know how to do everything before I end up leaving for Memphis. So y'all probably get that video probably Tuesday, no, maybe tomorrow, sometime this week. Y'all will. I just got a lot going on right now, so just definitely stay tuned. It's a little dry today, so yeah, man. I'm idle right now. I wonder what it sound like idle. Roll the window down a little bit. Nah, it ain't really no difference. Idle. Let's see if it's a difference when I gas it a little bit. Let me come out of going track real quick. Get the track mode. Play with it a little bit. See what we got. Oh, we got a Scat pack Chowie right there. You definitely feel the difference. Nah, it ain't no different. But it look good, y'all. It look good. That's all that matters, is how I look. I can care less. I do hear it popping more when I downshift, or when I hit the brakes. You hear it pop a lot more. I do like that. But I mean, it don't sound too much different. Probably the cold start might be a little different. I'm gonna do a cold start to see how that sounds. But it don't sound too different. I'm not upset or nothing like that. Like I said as long as it look good, that's all that matters. So I am probably gonna do the mini race bullets. I don't know yet. I'm gonna do something probably to make this car just a tad bit louder when it's idle. When I'm hitting it, it sounds good, but when I'm I want you to be able to hear me like when I'm idle a little bit. So I'm gonna do my research. If y'all know in the comment section, let me know what exhaust mod I can do. I don't want to do a full straight pipe. I guess that's gonna be a little too loud according to some people, because the people that I went to do my straight pipe, they said that it was gonna be a little too loud. But honestly, I'm thinking about risking it. Honestly, I don't know. I'm all over the place. I honestly don't know. So let me know what y'all think I should do in the comment section. And I'm gonna try to reply. I'm gonna try to work on replying to everybody too. Like I said, I'm a busy person, y'all. It'd be hard to heart some of the comments and stuff too, because I don't really have a lot of time. But I'm gonna try to make time to be more interactive with my subscribers, because I know to some of y'all it means a lot. So I'm gonna try to work on that. But yeah, man, I'm finna chill, watch the Bears game, man. Go Bears, man. Bears fan, big Bears fan. But anyways, make sure y'all comment, make sure y'all like, make sure y'all subscribe. Join us, Swervo Nation, turn on the notifications on so y'all don't miss a video. And I'm out, man. Till next video, peace.
I close my eyes at night, praying up to God. They ain't want me to win, so I have to beat the odds. I'm trying to duck the bullshit so I can stay alive. I'm from a region where